In this video, I will share a powerful trading strategy that I was working on, and I was procrastinating a lot in this channel. I didn't uploaded any video, uh, and now I decided why not to upload it. I had back tested it, and so I will upload the results. I thought to make share a video on it, and I will share this strategy with you guys. This strategy has work on only single indicator, this one willey. Although I have other indicators on as well, like golden cross and ATR. First of all, you will use 1 hour time frame in this, and I will show you this indicator. First of all, you will search for willey, willey, this one indicator. You will click on this, and this will then open up. And now I had default setting on it. You can do the setting as follows. I will do it. So now this whole setup will work only on this indicator. So although you can utilize the other golden cross and death cross indicator as well, and you can also utilize ATR as well when you apply those are also very good indicator, and I will share a strategy based on them very soon. I am testing on them. So let do it. You have done the setting. Now, after doing the setting that I've done in the video, you can first of all understand how I will work on this willey. First of all, whenever green crosses above red, it is a buy signal generally, but we will go specifically in when we will apply in trades, and whenever it cuts downward, it is a short setup. And you can there is complexities. I will later on describe them later on. And you can see here we have two cross, so we will effectively eliminate them to go into overall or signal. So you can see overall this is thus buy and sell indication by this indicator. So guys, let me show you the real steps, the real conditions that I found most suitable with this strategy. I understand using this willey. I personally had tried it in my trading, and I found these steps most suitable, and these strategy conditions. Okay, now the conditions are whenever red is below the red is cutting down towards downward, and green is also down. And as you can see, this green is below the red. It is a short position, and because both are in the shaded area, then you can open the trade. And you can see this is a good trading winning trade. And at the opposite is true also. Whenever a green cuts above red, and both are in shaded area, then this is the Bitcoin latest dump. And I will not give example of that because that is a obvious pattern. So we will discuss it later with this strategy. So first of all, let's see this example. You can see red is above this entering in the channel, and green is also in the channel, shaded area. And that is a confirmed signal or condition for our setup. You can open a buying setup here. So the trick is the tip and the strategy is that green should not go above the above the channel, and should be inside the channel when red enters the channel. Same is the case with this. Here you can't take this trade. This is a perfect example of that, because green is below this channel, and And sometimes in the recent dump I will explain you how you can utilize certain things like when or conditions don't met, where there you can utilize the death cross, golden cross, or you can. So I will explain you that sometimes that conditions don't met, like here you can see we have a cut, and so in that case you will take support from other indicators of your choice, like I have a golden cross and death cross open in this window, and you can see here we have a long signal that is gone wrong, and here is another possible long signal. You can see, let me show you possible long here with or in conditions, all the conditions matching, and all the conditions are becoming true, but this is also losing trade, and in this case you can utilize other indicators like death cross of other indicators like golden cross, death cross, and you can see, let me show you here. You can draw a line. You have two losing trade, and you can draw a line of support and resistance. Here is a support is broken down at this death cross, which is shown by the indicator. You can find it on trading view easily, and let me highlight it here. A death cross is confirmed, and the support is broken down here, and you can see our indicator green line is gone below the red, and although this is not our conditions, because in our conditions it should be from above the upper, it should be is like from above like 35 or 34, but in this case you can see both below, stay below the channel. So you can see if you can, if I extend it, you see it stays below the channel for a long period. If I extend this, you can see it stayed, and you can continue your your profit until it stayed below the channel that I highlighted it, that I found most suitable with this strategy. So this is my understanding of this strategy. I fully explained you all the scenarios with recent dump in the crypto Bitcoin, how you, if you were present in that scenario, how you can utilize that. So golden cross, death cross, support and resistance plays equal role in any trading strategy, and you can't neglect them. You can't neglect them at all. So this is a very powerful strategy. I hope it will work best for you, and utilize it for your use, and you can see amazing result. And you can see here is the same case. You can see both lines are red and green are above, and you can see this is a good signal until the red stays above. So so the conditions changes, you can change accordingly, but in that, in most trending cases that happens. So I hope you liked today's video, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.